Evidence-based programs provide models for supporting babies, children, and families. They have been shown through research to make a difference to children's outcomes. Evidence-based programs include parenting programs, therapeutic interventions, and programs delivered in education settings. These programs play an important role in enabling public and community services to improve the lives of many children. However, for several reasons, evidence-based programs do not reach all the children around the world who need additional support. Sometimes the programs only work for specific groups. Sometimes it may be difficult for the program to be successfully adopted, scaled up, or sustained. We want to put more evidence-informed practice into the hands of more practitioners, so they have the tools to improve the lives of more children. For this reason, we are now using the Common Elements approach in our research. This approach identifies the common ingredients of evidence-based programs, like the tools common to all toolkits. Researchers identify successful programs. We analyze the contents of these programs to find the common elements. The elements we identify might include content and information that is shared with children and families, strategies and techniques used by practitioners in work with children and families, factors to do with how the program is delivered. Once we have identified common elements, we do more research to understand how and when they work in driving change for children. This understanding can help us adapt and improve existing evidence-based programs. It can also identify strategies that could be used by practitioners in their day-to-day work with children and families. We believe that Common Elements research is valuable in informing programs and practices to improve the lives and life chances of more children.